Monolithic House, designed by MODO Designs, stands as a testament to modern architectural ingenuity amidst the sprawling farmlands on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. The owner's vision was clear, a dwelling that embraced open spaces within its walls, seamlessly connecting with the verdant expanse outside. MODO Designs responded with a central courtyard house, a design that breathes and lives, with spaces thoughtfully arranged around a vibrant, open-to-sky art. This central courtyard acts as the soul of the home, a tranquil haven featuring a comfortable sitting deck, carefully curated plantings, and the earthy charm of loose brown Mandana Kapci stone. Above, a remotely operated fabricated roof, usually open to the sky, allows natural light and ventilation to flood the space during the day, creating an ever-changing play of light and shadow. Stepping into the house is an experience in itself. The arrival court leads into a vestibule, seamlessly merging with a passage that branches off to the various spaces within. To the left, the puja space, a sanctuary of peace, opens onto a lush east garden. Adjoining this sacred space, the drawing and living areas flow effortlessly into each other, both opening onto a veranda that further extends the connection to the east garden. This thoughtful arrangement creates a sense of openness and invites the outside in. To the right of the vestibule, the kitchen occupies the southeast corner, its functionality enhanced by its proximity to the dining area. The dining area, in turn, opens onto a small, intimate outdoor space, providing a perfect setting for casual meals. Nearby, the staircase to the first floor rises gracefully, while the south wing of the house cradles the grandparents' bedroom in the southwest and the parents' room in the southeast, both enjoying serene views of the east garden. The house's aesthetic is defined by its monolithic character. The concrete structure, combined with cement-finished walls and coated stone flooring, creates a sense of solidity and timelessness. This minimalist palette is then masterfully complemented by the warmth of wood, which is incorporated into the ceilings, wall paneling, and reclaimed wood doors and windows. This interplay of textures and materials creates a harmonious balance between the raw and the refined, the modern and the natural. The Monolithic House by MODO Designs is more than just a dwelling. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of space, light, and nature. It embodies the owner's vision for a home that embraces openness and connection, both within its walls and with the surrounding landscape. The central courtyard, the heart of the home, serves as a constant reminder of the importance of nature and tranquility in modern living. The house stands as a testament to the power of thoughtful design to create spaces that are not only functional but also deeply personal and inspiring.